Okay, so this is Jiya here, and you guys are from Indiana. How cool, right?
Yeah.
So what we're looking at with her, she has a unique case because there's headaches daily, and it's been going on for like 2 years, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now when we see headaches, we're gonna pay a lot of attention to the neck. This is her full spine X-ray. She has a huge subluxation in the upper thoracic here. But let's look at the neck. Now, we can expect to see a reverse curve in the neck. If you've been having headaches, migraines for years, this is gonna be the main reason right here. Now, the neck should be going in the opposite direction. And the way we check that is by doing a stress x-ray of the neck. We're gonna bend you back to, this is your potential for correction. This is great news, you can get this fixed and corrected.
Sure.
This is what the neck should look more like when you're standing straight up,
Yeah.
So now, when we reverse curve in the neck, that's gonna strain the spinal cord and definitely gonna stress the muscles and the nerves and definitely cause headaches. But also not just headaches, it's gonna affect the nervous system function and your parasympathetic. So like the digestion issues, sleep pattern issues. So, digestion's been an issue too, right? It's not just the headaches.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go face down
Okay.
on the table here. We're gonna start off in traction. Okay, so we're feeling for how those muscles are changing in tone. Now, obviously, she's got a lot of increased muscle tone on the right side. That's where that significant subluxation is in the thoracic. So we're gonna traction that and bend into convexity. And those muscles are changing in tone and relaxing. Also gonna do some vibration. Okay, so another thing, when we see ribs humping like this on the right side, we're gonna do a specific adjustment like that. I'm gonna lift you up and put pressure down like that. Perfect, beautiful. Awesome, and we see a huge reduction and now symmetry between the muscles and the ribs. So, with headaches, we're going to check the pelvis and the upper neck specifically. So she's showing short on the left leg, so I'm going to do a test on the upper cervical. I'm going to put pressure on the right upper, just like that. I know that's probably tender. Now the legs went back to even. When that happens, that's just a simple test that shows when we restore a normal alignment or a different alignment, the neurology changes, the muscles balance out, the pelvis, everything's connected. All right, so let's have you this side up, facing me this way. And then we'll have your head up here. So we're leaving the body in neutral position, not twisting or twerking. All right, so there's a section of the table here that's going to drop. Perfect. All right, other side. Curves in here on the left, a little bit here on the right. The top bone in the neck called the atlas. That's the one the head sits on. That's the one we're going to be adjusting. For specifically, when this one's out of position, it'll cause headaches for sure. Beautiful. All right, I'm back. Now she's been getting adjusted at her local chiropractor, but it helps, right? But it comes back.
It comes back, yeah.
So what we're doing here that's different is correcting the spine. So an adjustment, we're gonna adjust you very specifically to help correct the reverse curve in the neck, and also give you exercises too to take home so that you're gonna be getting this corrected.
Sure.
And that's gonna help solve the problem with the headaches coming back. All right. So when we adjust the neck, we're not gonna be twisting or anything like that. We're just gonna leave it in neutral position and adjust this way to help restore the normal curve. Beautiful. All right. Beautiful. We're also also going to look at the plates of the skull. The plates of the skull can misalign under stress and also affect nutrients to the brain, circulation, and headaches. Perfect. Last one, right here. Go into your head, hang back. Little tighter hug here. This is the biggie. Oh, perfect. Great job. Okay. That's it. Great adjustment. Awesome.